Ladies and gentlemen of the press, good morning. Since the declaration of a state of emergency in Rivers Command, all the agencies have been working together as a team to ensure the security and safety of Rivers State. And this morning we have come together to give you a brief about some of the achievements we have done so far. On behalf of the Rivers State Police Command, I extend our profound commendation to the joint patrol operation conducted by the police, the armed forces, and other sister agencies who have diligently executed their mandate to support the objective of the state of emergency in Rivers State. Our collective efforts have been instrumental in sustaining the peace and calm currently enjoyed in our dear state. It is imperative to emphasize that this phase of security activities is a necessary measure aimed at preventing any potential breakdown of law and order. The decision to deploy a proactive police strategy was informed by an emerging atmosphere that could have been exploited by troublemakers to plunge the state into insecurity and coerce. I assure the good people of Rivers State that this is a temporary phase, and in due time we will all witness a more peaceful and secured state. Furthermore, I must stress the critical importance of securing critical national assets and infrastructure within Rivers State. These assets are vital not only to the people of Rivers State, but to the entire nation. Consequently, it is the collective responsibility of all well-meaning residents of the state to ensure their protection, particularly against oil theft, vandals, kidnappers, cultists, and other criminals. Over the past week, the joint efforts of the security agencies in Rivers State have among other successes, thwarted attempt by miscreants to vandalize pipeline, which led to the death of vandals in the process of trying to detonate a pipeline as a result of the quick response of the state security agencies at OLUGBENGA in Ikwe local government on the 16th March 2025. In other case of anti-criminal activities in the state, the men of the security forces stormed the hideout of kidnappers along Omok Road in Ahoda East local government area on the 21st March 2025 at about 0:10 hours, where 8 male suspects were arrested and 6 male victims were rescued. Items recovered during the arrest include 2 English-made pump action gun, 2 locally made pistol, 4 locally made single barrel gun with assorted rounds and cartridges, 3 quick Q-Link motorcycle, communication equipment, among other items. Another case of criminality was voided in Onelga local government on the 19th March 2025, where 2 suspects were arrested with 4 dynamites, 4 switches and detonating pods, and other IED enablers. This is in addition to the destruction of 30 illegal refinery sites, 55 ovens, 20 reservoirs, 50 dug-up pits, 100,000 liters of stolen crude oil, and about 10,000 liters of illegal refined AGOs, which were handed in line with extant regulations. In this regard, I call upon members of the public to provide the police and other security agencies with credible intelligence regarding individuals or groups who are engaged in vandalism and they are conspirators. We must take necessary and proactive measures to prevent any act that could deter current and potential investors to Rivers Command. The safety and stability of our environment are paramount to fostering a thriving business climate, which in turn will continue to contribute to the overall economic growth of the state and the nation at large. Together with the armed forces and other security agencies, we remain resolute in our commitment to protecting lives and property while upholding law and order. We equivocally condemn any attempt or act aimed at vandalizing oil pipelines and other public infrastructure. Let it be known that we are fully prepared to carry out our responsibilities with utmost diligence, and we will ensure that those who engage in any unlawful act are identified, apprehended, and brought to justice. Don't forget that there are also miscreants who will be peddling false information or false news items circulating on social media. Please, you should endeavor to get in touch with our control rooms to confirm your story before letting it out to the public. In fulfillment of our security mandate, we have an increased deployment of security operatives to disrupt the movement of criminal elements and all illicit materials who, in most cases, are known to move in unregistered vehicles. Additionally, a state operation room has been established to provide real-time surveillance and facilitate rapid response to security threats within the state. As a result, effective in 7 days' time, that is within 7 days from now, a targeted enforcement operation will commence by the joint forces to impound all vehicles operating without registered number plates, as well as those displaying improperly affixed or altered plate numbers. Because such violations facilitate criminal activities, vehicle owners in non-compliance are advised to utilize this grace period to ensure full compliance with vehicle registration requirements. Because anybody that is flying his vehicle without duly registered, or is covered his vehicle, or put it in a way that will be obscure, all those vehicles will be impounded from 7 days from today. The Rivers State Police Command continues to work in close collaboration with all stakeholders in the state and other security agencies to achieve a peaceful River State. We also enjoin parents and guardians to properly educate their children and wards against sabotage and criminal conduct. I commend the good people of Rivers State and urge them to continue cooperating with the security agencies as we strive towards maintaining peace, stability, and prosperity in our beloved states. In case there is any information that will assist us in our operations, please don't hesitate to call on these numbers that I will give for anyone who feels or has any information to assist us. We plead to the member of the public to continue to be at peace and give us information as necessary. We can't do it alone. We have to do it jointly together. Security is not for one person, for all of us. So please, let's give information as I went to you. Members of the community too, traditional rulers should assist in talking to their wards and give information if any pipeline or government infrastructure has been damaged. In case of any information emergency, you are also to encourage to contact the security agencies on or call these following numbers. I want to read the numbers out. Police control room number 3514. I'll call it again. 080-3200-3514. The second one, 080-988-134. I'll repeat. 080-988-134. Then we have the PRO's number, which is 090-14-273-818. I'll repeat. 090-147-3818. Then for the complaint response unit, where we can be giving us information from any angle too, I'll call the number. We have two numbers dedicated for that, where you can lodge complaints and also give information. 081-208-22987. I'll repeat. 012-082-2987. And the last number is 090-3577-4814. I'll repeat it. 090-3577-4814. Thank you for listening, and please continue to project us in good light so that people will cooperate with us and will keep rivers as free of crime and criminality as much as possible. Thank you.